Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin. You can say hello, konnichiwa, 你好，高炸 good morning, hi. 这都是打招呼的方式。
对呀，
对不对 ？Bonjour， 这是法文的了哈。今天顺便呢，就来教教大家更多的这种打招呼 greetings more greetings 好不好？好，那就先从打招呼怎么说呢？ How do you say a greeting? All right?
上家门，
上家门，上盖和来门，什么上家门？为什么跟打招呼听起来很不像啊？
就是其实它的字面上是相借问啊。
借问啦，
闽南语很像啊。
对，真的是借问嘛哈。
对，
好，再讲一次。
上家门。
上家门 It actually sounds similar to Taiwanese and it means a greeting, all right? So 最简单的就是你好，最近好吗？
好，按旧好吗？
不是你好吗？
都可以，
那
个你可以讲好，也可以讲你好。
OK， 所以都可以。OK, this sentence is saying, Hi, how are you recently? 你好，最近好吗？好，按旧好吗？
懂好，
那很好啦，我也是懂后啊。那我们通常在台湾很喜欢说吃饱了没，对不对？假爸喂哈，客语也会这样子问吗？
会啊，看到人，因为差不多快要到中午或快要到晚上，都会说吃饱吗？
吃饱吗 ？Okay, it's common practice here in Taiwan to ask people, have you had your meals yet? Have you had lunch? Have you had dinner? As a form of a greeting. So in Hakka, you say.
吃饱吗？
吃饱吗？
那海陆腔会吃饱吗？
吃饱吗 Okay, that's a different dialect for have you eaten yet? And then finally, how about 有时候会说，那今天要去哪里 Okay, where are you going today? 今天要去哪儿？
今晡日愛去哪？
这简单了哈。今晡日今天 that means today. 愛去哪？
今晡日愛去哪？
All right, let's review these terms. A greeting, 打招呼。
上家門。
上家門 And then the most common line, 你好，最近好吗 Hi, how are you?
好，按舊好嗎？
好，按舊好嗎 Have you eaten yet? 吃飽沒？
吃飽嗎？
吃飽嗎 And finally, where are you going? 今天要去哪兒？
今晡日愛去哪？
今晡日愛去哪？ There you have it. More phrases for you when you see someone you know. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺自say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.